Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a wired LAN cable on your PlayStation 5. So the most important thing is you got to plug this into the back of the PlayStation 5. Now, when you plug it in, if you do not change it over in settings, it's still going to connect via Wi-Fi. So we need to go to settings and then go to network, then go to settings, go to the right and go to setup internet connection. And then you can see all my different connections under here. We want to go on down past the Wi-Fi, and there should be an option now to set up wired LAN. So you can see I do have a wired LAN cable in here. So right around here, networks found, there should be an option to set up a wired LAN connection. And then you can go to that connection now and then connect to it. So if you don't do this, you're still going to be connected to Wi-Fi, and that's probably the most important part. Then we can go up to connection, and then we can do an internet speed test right here. And you can still see that I'm on Wi-Fi. I don't have a wired LAN connection at the moment. But if you go to test internet connection, you can see a significant difference between your Wi-Fi connection and your wired LAN cable. So on my home network, I usually see a big difference of maybe like 200 or 300 megabytes per second. So on this connection, I'll probably see about 30 to 40, and I might be limited to about 50 right now just on 5G Wi-Fi. So go ahead and just check this out, switch over your settings, and you'll see that it actually does work now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.